Pedro. Yeah, I'm trying to cut this. You are so annoying. Hey, you stay there. No, I'm cutting this, Pedro. Yes, I'm cutting. I'm cutting it. See? I'm just cutting this and you are just annoying. Ah, Pedro. I don't. I'm trying to cut this and you are just annoying, aren't you, right? Why don't you go back to your cage? Hey. Hey, Pedro. Come on. Come. Go to my shoulder. Go there. Go to my shoulder. There. There. Oh, Pedro. Hey, Pedro. You're getting me cranky. Come on. Be a good boy. I'm going to put you in the cage if you don't behave. Do you want to get put in the cage? Do you want to get put in the cage? Hey? I'll put you in the cage. You come on, don't poop in there. I know you. You're going to poop on my thingamajig here. That's right. Be a good boy. Stay away. Pedro. Oh, well. Okay. You stay on my shoulder. Stay on my shoulder. Why aren't you staying on my shoulder, huh? You... don't move. Don't move. Look, I don't even know what I'm doing here now. So we have to cut this little fairy. And you are just annoying me. Yeah, what? What? What are you going to say? I'm just doing some cutting here. And you're annoying. Do you understand that? Pedro, don't go there. And then you won't be able to crawl. Look at that. You're scratching my hand, but it doesn't matter. See? Because I love you. But, Pedro. I'm getting cranky with you. Ay. Yeah, stay on the floor. Uh-huh. Yes. You're a good boy, Pedro. You're a good boy, aren't you? Okay, I'm getting there slowly. Look, I still got a lot to go. I got a lot to go. Look. You better behave. Oh, now you're going to sing. Hey. Just sing for me, Come on. You don't have to say you love me. Just stay close at hand. Come on. You don't have to forever. Hey, come on, sing. No. Now. Because you're naughty. And pee off because you're naughty. Kiss. I don't want kiss right now. I'm cutting this. You want to go back to your cage? Yes, I'm cranky. I'm not pee off. I'm cranky. Lizzie, cranky. Yes, I'm cranky. Okay. That's right. Okay, I'm cranky. Are you going to behave? You behaving? Or you decided you're going to sleep there? Are you just gonna sleep there, baby? Give me a kiss. Okay. Okay. Oopsie daisy. No, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Now sing, come on. Na 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 na. And heaven and nature sing. Aha! What was that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You're a naughty boy. Are you a naughty boy? Oi! You're gonna cut yourself. Who told you? You're not a good boy. Who told you you're a good boy? You're not. You're a naughty boy.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting. Cutting flowers. Yes, I'm cutting flowers.
Kiss.
No, we don't need kiss. We need to cut flowers. Okay, go on. Go on, look.
Good boy, Pedro. Come here. Come back. Kiss.
Mm-hmm. Kiss, good boy, no? Oh, you're a naughty boy. You're a naughty boy.
Good boy, Pedro.
No.
Kiss.
Okay, bite that one. That one. Go. Bite that one. Okay, this one. Here. That one. You can have that one, but you can't have this one. Okay. Sexy, yes. No, don't eat it. Don't. Why are you eating it? You're cute. No, you're not cute. Pedro, come on. Oh, you're gonna just sing.
It is so cute. It's cute, Pedro.
Is he a keeper? Are you sure?
Okay.
Think so. I don't think so. Is he a keeper? Oh, I don't know about that. He's not a keeper. Boy? No. No. No, you can't do that. Okay. Hey, come on. Go back to my shoulder, Pedro. Look, this is taking me ages to do. It's going to take me ages to do because you're not helping.
I'm cute. I'm happy.
Yes, I know you're cute, but it's not very cute. What? Sing for me. Yes, that's it. Go sing some more. Sing. Come on. I can't whistle. Come on, you do it. You whistle, Pedro. You don't have to say you love me. Come on. Come on. Hey. No, Pedro. Be a good boy, Pedro. Pedro. Be a good. He's a good boy. Come on. Stay there. I'm nearly finished with this lot here. Look. This part here is almost finished. Uh-huh. Okay, you can go on my feet there. Uh-huh. Aye. Don't eat the girl. Pedro. You naughty. You're so naughty.
Come here, come here.
What? Where are you gonna go? Where do you want me to come? Where do you want me to go? Come here where? You're gonna go to your cage. I'll put you in the cage now, okay? So I can do this. I just need to finish this so you can go to your cage. Go to your cage. Come on. Go to your cage, Pedro. Pedro, go into the cage.